We are your engine experts, and across the entire life cycle of your engine, we support you with the right product. MOVEPlus is our life cycle solution for engine lessors. We mitigate risk and create more revenue for your valuable engine assets. How do we do this? We simplify transitions between lessees and reduce unnecessary MRO spend through our portable maintenance concept, so you can remarket your assets easier and faster, without geographical restrictions. We know risk avoidance is key to lessors. This is why we take on engine MRO responsibility. We also provide spare engines if required, and lessors and lessees benefit from continued operations at predictable cost. Our solution also includes intelligent end-of-life strategies that generate more income and increase residual value. Extensive technical consultancy is also part of the package. We make sure maintenance reserves are correctly calculated and accessible at all times, and documentation in order. You are always informed and involved in this process, as well as consulted regarding any engine maintenance decisions. And to top it all off, our product is fully flexible. Lessors and lessees can opt in and opt out at any point during the engine lifecycle. MOVEPlus, risk mitigation and more revenue with portable MRO. Contact us and find your solution.